Back in 2013, when Boeing was just starting to build the MAX, they were re-engining a 45-year-old airframe with these giant new fuel-efficient engines. Because these engines are bigger, they had to be positioned further forward and higher up on the wings. And so Boeing was worried about the plane getting into too much of a nose up, and then the plane could stall. So if it starts to pitch up, MCAS was designed to help the pilot level the plane out.
The problem was MCAS was a significant new system and could prompt the FAA to require some additional training. So what's the solution in this memo?
They said, if we emphasize MCAS as a new function, there may be greater certification and training impact. Everybody at Boeing knew you can't have pilot retraining no matter what we do, no matter how we change this plane. We've got to pretend it's the same plane as the predecessor.
So they decided externally we would communicate it as an addition to speed trim. Speed trim is the existing system which pilots had already been trained on. Internally, continue using the acronym MCAS.
They determined that they would conceal the existence to anybody outside of Boeing of the MCAS system.